Hey guys, you can make awesome AI videos completely free right from your phone using just the Grok app or grok.com. So, let's jump in. First, download or open the Grok app from the App Store or Google Play. It's free. Sign in with your Google account. Tap Continue with Google and choose your Google account to sign in. Tap the Create Video. You have two easy ways. Text to video, just type a prompt like, "A cute robot dancing in a neon cyberpunk city at night, cinematic style." Hit Generate. Grok Imagine creates a short clip with motion, audio, dialogue, or background sound automatically. Edit image. Upload a photo from your gallery, then add a description like, "Make this cat jump around playfully with happy music." Hit Generate. Free tier gives solid short clips, perfect for reels, shorts, or stories. For longer ones, some users mention basic limits. But basics are unlimited for fun stuff. Try it now. What video will you make first? Comment below, smash like, subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.